Hello everyone, my name is Noelle, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Toga's neck piece and how you can make one too. Before anything, we must analyze our references. Here we have 3 pictures of Toga. From this we can see the neck piece's base is a dark blue color with white accent teeth. The base's general structure seems to be sturdy with a loose fabric over top. The materials we're going to be needing are UHU glue, white fabric, white paint, dark blue fabric, thin foam, and thick foam. To start, take some thick foam, measure around your neck, and cut to size. Mine was about 4 by 36 inches in total. Take some UHU glue to attach the pieces if needed. Then trim away any excess to make them even. Place around your neck to confirm your measurement, then glue together. It should look something like this when it's attached. To make the edges protrude like Toga's, take a thin strip of foam and line the edges. Trim it to give it a jagged look. Since the fabric is see-through, we would need to paint the base a similar blue. Taking some black and blue paint, mix it a color to match your fabric. Then cover the base. Fold the fabric over the base, making sure it will cover it fully, then cut. Iron your fabric to remove creases. Then line the inside with glue and wrap the fabric's edges around. Apply some glue under the ridge we created, then press the fabric over top. Repeat this for all sides. It should look something like this when done. To create the teeth, take some thick foam and cut out sections about 1.5 to 2.5 inches. Carve out a pointed tooth-like shape. Create 3 of these for each side. It should look something like this. To create the teeth in the middle, take some thin craft foam and place in the gap. Measure to size and cut. Mine was about 2 by 9 inches. Glue on, then paint white. To avoid paint strokes, paint in extremely thin layers. To cover the teeth in fabric, cut out a small square of white fabric a little bigger than the tooth. Apply UHU glue to the edges, then apply the fabric. Cut the excess fabric at the tooth's points. Trim, then apply glue and fold the edges down, making sure to cover all the foam on the front and sides. Then apply glue to the back and attach to the base like so. The first and third teeth should be facing downwards, while the second tooth should be facing upwards. To cover the edges in the middle, take a long piece of fabric to fit the section. Fold the top edge inwards, apply glue, then fold the bottom edge upwards, then glue it to the base. To draw on the lines for the teeth, take something like a fine line marker and draw out these lines, making sure you have equal spacing between each tooth. Overall, I think this project turned out pretty well and matches Toga nicely. Let me know how you think I did and if you tried it for yourself. If you would like to see more cosplay DIYs from me, like the rest of Toga's gear, make sure you like and subscribe.